Hi, welcome to the installations of the model 13602, which is a fire engine trundle bed. Okay, first we start with either the piece 1R, or depends on whether you want to install left or the right side of the trundle, but either way you can start either 1R or 1L. So first of all, you need to put in all the screw in like so, 1, 2, and the other then 3 and 4. Next, if you start with 1R, then you follow the top piece, make sure it's matching with the lower piece and line up like so. Okay, next you put in the head piece, which is this piece. Next you put in the red button like so. Make sure you face the arrow side facing towards the hole where you're going to join the screw later on like so. You put in the button in like so. Now remember again, for that piece, make sure the arrow is facing the hole. Next, you also put in the smaller button. Make sure the hole is actually facing like that, so the screw can be put in like that in later. So we put it like this, like so. And by testing it, make sure it's actually in through, then it's correct. The best way to observe is to look at the arrow of the button. It's facing towards the hole like so. Next, we're going to put in like that. Next step, we will install the tail sections, and again we do the same thing. We put in all the button in. We put in the button in like so. Now remember again, for that piece, make sure the arrow is facing the hole. Like so. Now with a flat head screwdriver, we secure it in. Turn it clockwise. Now again, we got a smaller button. Put it in like so. Now remember, before you put in, you check, make sure the hole is facing the screw as well. Screw, we tie the long screw, we tie it in like so. Now when you're done, you flick the bed over like so. Next, you're going to put in all the 5 metal bar in. By using a 50mm long screw, you're going to secure those screw in within the bar. Okay, by the time you finish putting all the stick, all the 5 bar, it should look like so. Next, we put in the silver button in, like so. Next, we put this panel on, and then secure those 2 holes there, one there, and one at the bottom. And the same thing for the other side, one there at the top, and one at the bottom. Next, we're going to secure this side with the to secure all the bar in. First put the white plastic button through the screw like so, and now secure it in, and now tighten up the bar securely for all the rest of the 5 bars. Now the same thing, we do it again. We put in the silver button in, so, for the rest of the 5 holes. Next we're going to put in the upper piece, this piece. Next we're going to put in the screw, one there, wooden dowel, another dowel, and the fourth one is the steel screw like so. And at the bottom, once again, we're going to put in the red button and tightly secure it in for all of them like so. Next we put it in like so. Now by using a screw, we turn it clockwise to secure in like so, one there and one on the other side. To tie it up, we secure another 2 screws on the front there, one there and one on the top, and that will be finished for this panel. Doing the same thing for the other side, exactly the same procedure. Now next we could put in the plate number 68, or you can do 89, up to you, whatever, but we're going to use a screw size of 25 mil to secure it in like so, and then tie it back from the back with a 4 screw like so. Next we're going to install in the front screen of this bear. Now with this section you do the same thing. You do put one metal down there like so, and one there, and secure with the 4 screw like so, exactly the same, and the end product should look like so. Next we're going to install in the roof of the fire truck, which is the item number 14. Now with this item, you put in the screw where you can find a plastic ring, one there, one there, one in the middle, and 2 on the side, so total 5 screws altogether like so. And as for the rim, you put in the wooden dowel in, 2 on that side, 2 in the middle, one there, and 2 on the side, so total of 6 dowel altogether before you install it in. Next we put in the red button ring in. Remember, the arrow must be facing upwards. Next we put it in like so. And now if it doesn't put it in, just slightly tap and make sure the arrow is facing towards the screw in order to fit in. Now once the unit is actually in, turn clockwise to secure in and lock in for the all 5 of the position. Next we secure in the steering wheel. The steering wheel should look like so, and like that, and at the bottom we're using 30 mil screw to tighten it in with the 3 screw like so, and tightly secure it in from the bottom. Next we're going to secure it in the siren in by using those 2 little screws like so. Next we install in the fire siren to the front with those 2 little screws tied on the bottom. Next we're going to put in the steering wheel, the wheel, which is 3 on each side. Now so to secure it in, we need a 35 mil screw to tighten it in. Now we'll put it like this, so position like that, and put the 35 mil screw from the back to tightly secure it in. Now when you install in this wheel, you can notice there are 2 pins on the side there, one on each end, one there and one there. Make sure the pin is actually located inside the hole there before you secure it in, otherwise it would not fit. So make sure the pin is actually fit into the hole before you tighten up the screw. And when you finish the second wheel, you do the same for the third wheel, and the same procedure for the other side of the bed as well. This part here, I will show you how to put in the trundle for the lower. This is the insulation of the lower bunk, which is the trundle part. Now with the long piece, as you can see, where you can see it's actually with the black plastic circle, you install in the screw, one there and one there on each end. Now you tightly secure in like so, and with the hole next to it you put in 2 wooden dowel, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Now next we're going to put in the 5 vertical bar in. Now you notice 2 hasn't got any hole, 3 of the bar got hole like so. Now the one with hole, we're going to put in the roller wheel in like so, as you can see there, and tightly secure in with 4 tiny screws like that, with this type of screw there. Okay, and we're installing 3 of the bar with the roller and 2 without, like so. Next we divide it out. First one with roller, second without, third with roller, fourth without, and the 5th with the roller. Separate out. Now by using a 50mm screw, we're going to secure in this bar into the trundle. Now we secure in like so. 1, and for the rest of the 5 bars there. Next, on the side panel we put in 2 wooden dowel like so. Secure 1 there, and same as on this side as well. Next we put in the red button in. Now remember, same thing again, make sure the arrow is facing towards the hole.